Good afternoon. Our exam is over. How was it? Yes, I think it was very simple. I am very happy your participation was good. Now today we discuss the second lesson. Please listen here. Please listen to me. The second lesson, animals and plants. The last class we discussed the animals and plants. Animals and plants are living things. Animals and plants are living things because so they need food, air, water. Animals and plants are living things. They need air, water and food to live and to grow. Now, animals are different from plants in many ways. Animals are different from plants in many ways. Please listen here. The first one, food habits. Please listen to me. Animals are different from plants in many ways. The first activity, first one, food habits. The animals which eat only plants, plant eating animals and flesh eating animals. Plant eating animals and flesh eating animals. Animals are different from plants in many ways. The first one, food habits. Food habits, plant eating animals. The animals which eat only plants. The animals which eat only plants. For example, tell me what are the different examples for plant eating animals? Yes, example, horse, cow, deer. Please listen here. Plant eating animals, horse, cow, deer. And the next one, flesh eating animals. The second one, flesh eating animals. Example, lion, tiger and wolves. Please listen here. The animals are different from plants in many ways. The first activity, food habits. Food habits. The first one, plant eating animals. Animals which eat only plants, that is plant eating animals. Example, horse, cow, deer. The second one, flesh eating animals. The animals which eat only flesh, only meat. Okay. Example, lion, tiger and wolves. All of you understand what I say? The plant eating animals and flesh eating animals. Find out more examples. Find out more examples for plant eating animals and flesh eating animals. Animals are different from plants in many ways. The first activity, food habits. Clear? Yes. The next one. Second one, breathing. Breathing. Animals have breathing organs. Animals have breathing organs. Animals have breathing organs. Please listen to me. For example, horse, cats, dogs. Breathing. Animals have breathing organs. The first, for example, horse, cats, dogs. The breathing organs breathe through their nose. Please listen to me. Horse, cats, dogs breathe through their nose. Clear? The next one. You know frog, to live on both land and water. Frog. Please listen here. Frogs breathe through their nose and skin. Nose and skin. Listen here. Horse, cats, dogs breathe through their nose. The next one, frogs breathe through their nose and skin. These are the breathing organs. The next, insects. You know insects. Insects such as flies and cockroach. Breathe through a tiny holes on their body surface. All of you understand? Insects such as flies and cockroach breathe through a tiny holes on their body surface, that is called spiracles. Please listen here. Flies and cockroach. Animals are different from plants in many ways. The first one, food habits. The second one, breathing. Animals have breathing organs. For example, horse, cats, dogs breathe through their nose. Next, frogs breathe through their nose and skin. Next, flies and cockroach. Insects. These are insects, flies and cockroach breathe through a tiny holes on their bodies, that's called spiracles. All of you understand? Clear? These are the breathing organs. Animals have breathing organs. Clear? The next activity, please listen here. The first one, food habits, and the second one, breathing organs. And the third one, please listen here, movement. Movement. Please listen here, movement. What is move? It can move from one place to another. Next activity, movement. Animals can move from one place to another. For what? In search of food. Clear? Animals move from one place to another for in search of food. Clear? Yes. For examples, a bird can fly far. A bird can fly far in search of food. Listen. Can fly far in search of food. Then next one, tiger roar about in the forest looking for food. A tiger roars about in the forest looking for food. These are the third activity, movement. Animals are moved from one place to another in search of food. For example, a bird can fly far in search of food and a tiger roars about in the forest looking for food. In case of animals, and plants can move. Plants can move, but it cannot move from one place to another. Plants can move, but it cannot move from one place to another. The parts of the plants show some movements. The parts of plants show some movements. For example, a plant grow towards sunlight. The branches of plants grow towards sunlight. These are the movements. Clear? The animals can move from one place to another in search of food. For example, a bird can fly far in search of food. A tiger roars about in the forest looking for food. Then plants also move. Then plants cannot move from one place to another. It can fix to the ground. But their parts show some movements. For example, the branches of plants grow towards sunlight. Clear? These are the third activity. Now please listen here. Next, fourth activity, reproduction. Listen here, the animals such as, please listen to me, animals such as cats, monkeys and dogs. Next, animals such as birds, frogs, snakes. Listen here, the next activity, reproduction. They already study reproduction. What is reproduction? The process of producing young ones. The reproduction takes place in two ways. The first way, giving birth to their young ones. For example, cats, monkeys, dogs, giving birth to their young ones. Clear? Yes. The next one, birds, frogs, snakes, reproduce by laying eggs. Reproduction takes place in two ways. The first one, for example, please listen to me. Cats, monkeys, dogs reproduce to giving birth to their young ones. The next, reproduce by laying eggs. For example, birds, frogs, snakes. In these two situations, find out more examples. The next class, to find out more examples for reproduction takes place, giving birth to their young ones and reproduce by laying eggs. Clear? Yes. These are the fourth activity. Now, the next animals are different from plants in many ways. The first one, food habits. Food habits. And the second one, breathing. Second one, breathing. And third one, yes, movement. And the fourth one, reproduction. First I repeat once more, please listen here. The first one, food habits. Animals are different from plants in many ways. The first one, food habits. Animals depend on plants or other animals for their food. Please listen here. Animals depend on plants or other animals for their food. Food habits, plant eating, for example, plant eating animals and flesh eating animals. The animals which eat only plants, that is plant eating animals. For examples, cow, elephant, deer, etc. Then find out more examples. The next one, flesh eating animals. The animals which eat only flesh. Animals which eat only flesh, for example, tiger, lion, wolves, etc. These are the food habits. Okay. Plants make their own food. Plants make their own food. The first class already discussed the plants make their own food. And plants breathe through a tiny openings on their leaves called stomata. Then also plants already discussed the breathing organs, stomata. The next one, animals have breathing organs. Animals have breathing organs. We have discussed the different examples. Animals have breathing organs. For example, in your textbook, page number 111, the breathing organs. The animals such as horse, cats and dogs. Animals such as horse, cats and dogs breathe through their nose. Breathe through their nose. The plants also breathe a tiny openings on their leaves called stomata. Next, insects such as flies, cockroach breathe through a tiny holes on their bodies, that is called spiracles. That is called spiracles. The next one, fish breathe through their gills. Fish breathe through their gills. Please listen here. Fish breathe through their gills. Insects such as flies and cockroach breathe through the tiny holes on their bodies called spiracles. Clear? Yes, these are the breathing organs. Breathing organs. The next one, movement. Movement. Animals can move from one place to another. Animals can move from one place to another in search of food. For example, a bird can fly far in search of food. A tiger roars about in the forest looking for food. Okay, these are the movement in animals, in case of animals. Then plants can move. Plants also move, but it cannot move from one place to another, but they're fixed to the ground. Fixed to the ground. But their parts show some movements. For example, the branches of plants grow towards sunlight. Clear? Yes. Next, these are the movement. Next, reproduction. Reproduction takes place in two ways. Reproduce by laying eggs and giving birth to the young ones. Reproduce by laying eggs and giving birth to the young ones. These are the reproduction. Clear? Yes. Now please listen here. Then animals are different from plants in many ways. The first one, food habits. Second one, breathing. And third one, movement. And the fourth one, reproduction. Then all of you study well. Clear? Yes. Please listen to me. Please listen here. Gills. First I read these words. Gills. Second one, spiracles. And third one, stomata. And fourth one, reproduction. And fifth one, breathing. All of you understand? These are some words. First I read once more. First one, gills. Second one, spiracles. Next, stomata. Then reproduction. The last one, breathing. Then all of you study well and write 5 times in your notebook. Clear? Yes. In your textbook, the second lesson, animals and plants, the page number 110 and 111. Then read well. Okay? Now today I wind up our class. Thank you.